In this video, I will show you how to fix a corrupt Outlook profile using 3 different methods. Method 1. Repair Outlook profile using Outlook application. Open Microsoft Outlook and click on the File tab. Select Account Settings. In the Email tab, select the corrupt Outlook profile you want to fix and hit Repair. After the completion of the Outlook repair process, click Finish. Method 2. Repair corrupt Outlook profile using scanpst.exe tool. Locate scanpst.exe and open it. Select the corrupt/damaged PST file. You can use the Browse option to locate and select your PST file. Click on Start. After the completion of the PST/OST file repairing process, you can access your Outlook emails. Method 3. Fix corrupt or damaged Outlook profile using Remo Repair Outlook PST tool. Download and install Remo Repair Outlook PST tool. Open default PST file. This option locates your corrupt Outlook profile from its default location. Select PST file manually. You can manually locate the corrupt Outlook PST file you want to fix. Find all your PST files. If you have multiple Outlook PST files, you can use this option. After selecting the corrupt Outlook profile, click Next. Click the Browse button to select the location of your choice to save the repaired Outlook PST file and click the Repair option. Once the Outlook profile repairing process completes, you can view your repaired PST file. I hope this video helps you fix your corrupt Outlook profile. To know more on how to fix corrupt Outlook profile, click on the link in description.